Hey there, Rhiannon Sinnott with Just Add Water Floating Camps. Today we're going to talk about the heater that's on Floating Camp Nomad. It's a Dickinson marine propane heater. Come aboard. So to use the Dickinson propane heater on Nomad, you need to lift this little cubby to turn the gas supply on. This blue valve needs to be in the inline position. Then opening the front door here, taking your wand lighter, pushing the gas knob in and to the low position. Holding it down in the low position for about 5 seconds, and then releasing and adjusting to the high or the low as you choose. Then closing the front door, making sure it's all the way closed. And the most important thing is turning the fan on to the high position.
The heater comes with installation and instructions and specs on the max flexion of the flue, for example, and clearances that are safe for installation. You obviously want to consider the location of the heater, putting it in a spot where it will maximize the heating effect for the living space that you're trying to heat. We also wanted to show you on the outside the vent, keeping that space clear, making sure that you're installing it both inside and out, obviously, with max clearances in mind, so there's no potential for catching things on fire or it being in a location where you could either burn yourself or your guests could burn themselves. I will also include that Nomad's living space is about 10 feet by 26 feet or so, with a lofted space, and this Dickinson propane heater is more than enough to heat that living space. That's how we stay warm on our houseboats up in Maine. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.